One more product we're going to unbox here. It's called Syncwire. This is a tire inflator. So you could be on vacation, you could be on a trip, on your way to work, on the side of the highway. You get a flat tire. You could come out of the grocery store and look over and be like, "Oh man, my tire is very low." This will be a portable option, and it'll be able to inflate your tire hopefully quickly. So we're going to unbox this, take a look at it, and then we'll actually try it out. Oh, first, it looks like it's got a little carrying case, which that's a great idea. So just like a little pouch, a little drawstring. This must be the actual unit. So it does have some weight to it. I don't know, weighs, I don't know. I mean, it's I don't know, maybe half a pound or something. Maybe a little bit more than like a can of Coke or something like that. Looks like it's going to be digital with some buttons here on the front. Just some, looks like air ventilation where it sucks the air in possibly. Oh, I'm sorry, there's a little fan here on the bottom. And then let's see. So Type-C input, this would be to charge it up. USB output, I guess if you wanted to charge a smartphone off of this or whatever device you might have. That might be a light. Looks like where the tire inflator might screw in. So let's see here. We got a decent little instruction book. Decent amount of pages. Looks like 33 pages. Some little valve stem caps for your vehicle in case you lost yours. Keep the dust out. Here's some adapters in case you're at the beach and you want to air up like a, I don't know, like a little inflatable or a maybe an air mattress. Here's an adapter for, looks like a basketball or a football. Here's a little valve stem piece for a bicycle to inflate a bike tire. So it comes with all this stuff. Here is the Type-C cable. Obviously you would use that where it says Type-C charging input. You do that, you just plug it into a block to charge, or plug it into your car cigarette lighter. And then here's the piece. There's one more little pamphlet here. It looks like this is going to be the piece then, where you would screw this in right here to air up your car's tire. It's going to be nice. And then I'm going to guess this just goes over here just to hold it. So that's all you're really going to have. Way to charge it, air up your tire, a digital display. If you need adapters for anything, but you're not going to need an adapter for airing up a car tire, but you know, this would be like for a pool inflatable, like I said, bike, basketball, or a football. So we'll give this a try. And hopefully this is another great product to always keep in your car at all times, because you never know when an emergency might arise. It could be a coworker, it could be a friend with a flat tire. You can always go and help them out that way. Plus, with the little fixed dongle there, you could plug that into a friend's car, read their check engine light for them, and the universal Android screen. That's going to be awesome. Whether it's your car, say your friend says, "Hey, we're going to take a trip out of state." You can easily use a suction cup mount, put it on their windshield, and just plug in their cigarette lighter, and you'll be set to go. So here's an unboxing of the products, and then we'll be testing these out in the vehicles. Thank you for watching.